How to join Forsaken Discord server. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Roblox on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, scroll down and find the Forsaken option and tap on it, or you can also tap on the search bar and search for Forsaken. Once open, scroll down to the Social Links tab and you will see the Discord option. Tap on the Join Our Community option you see there. Make sure that you need to have your Discord account linked to your Roblox account in order to be able to join Forsaken Discord server. So, for some reason, if you don't see the Join Our Community option, then go ahead and firstly connect your Discord account and your Roblox account. You will then be led to Discord directly, so tap on the accept button you see there, and with this, as you can see, you have successfully joined the Discord Forsaken server. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.